ChatGPT shows a memory full message and you can't save new information. Good news, you can often resolve this without deleting any memories. First, confirm account status and whether the service is active. Next, open Settings, go to Memory, and look for quota or sync notes. If everything looks normal, try refreshing your session by signing out and back in. Also clear your browser cache or app local storage to remove any sync blocks. Step 1. Show Settings, tap Memory, and note any quota or sync alerts. Step 2. Sign out, fully close the browser or app, then sign back in. Step 3. Clear cache. In Browser Settings, choose Cache Files and Cookies, then Clear. Step 4. Update your browser or app, then reopen ChatGPT and check memory again. If the issue persists, export your account data or logs for safekeeping and contact support. Recap: check plan and status, refresh session, clear cache, update, then contact support. Subscribe and try these fixes.